I welcome you all to this special place and this very special moment. We are here to celebrate with David and Amanda the beginning of their new life together. Let us surround them with our love, our prayers, and our best wishes on this day of celebration and throughout their journey together as husband and wife. Beyond the love, respect, and trust that you share with one another, there must be a strong sense of commitment and loyalty that bonds you. A shared faith and belief in God and His grace in your lives is important in building a strong marriage. The love that we share with those around us, a love that comes from God. May you both be eager to love one another with this kind of love, which will never fade away.
David, thank you for coming into my best friend's life because I've never seen her so happy. And I believe everything inside me that she deserves the best, and you have given her just that.
So David calls me one day and he goes, "Hey man, I met this girl. She's absolutely incredible. She's the one. This is his perfect 10. I'm giving up the designation of best friend because now she has to be his best friend."
So David, will you have this woman to be your wedded wife? Do you promise to love her, comfort her, honor and keep her, and forsaking all others, keep you only unto her for so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Amanda, will you have this man to be your wedded husband? Do you promise to love him, comfort him, honor and keep him, and forsaking all others, keep you only unto him so long as you both shall live?
I do. David, when I met you, I had no idea how much my life was about to change. But then, how could I have known? When you told me that first day we met that you were going to marry me, even though I thought you were a crazy person for telling me that without even knowing me, much less within a couple of hours, I am so beyond happy to see it come true. Babe, you're the sweetest, most loving, compassionate person I have ever known. You were wholeheartedly picked from God and sent to me. The one who was everything I had hoped for, the love that I had longed for in my lifetime. Today, I give myself to you in marriage to be your wife. I will love you without reservation, cherish you, and hold you in the highest regard. I promise to be your best friend and to always have your back. I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, and stand by you, encourage you, support, love, cherish, and respect you all the days of my life. I promise to feel your pain so that you're not alone and celebrate with you so that you may stand proud. I promise to love you faithfully forever and never take more than I give. David, you changed my life and I'm crazy about you. And though a lifetime of tomorrows will never be enough, I promise to make each one better than the last. I love you so much.
The first day that I laid eyes on you, I knew you were my soulmate. And then we spoke, and I knew you were my best friend. You have made my dreams come true, and have shown me that true love does exist. I love you, not because of who you are, but because of who I am when I'm with you. You make me a better man, a father, friend, and soon to be husband. You love me through all my imperfections, and you turn my weaknesses into strengths. The way you love me is the way I've always wanted to be loved. There is no boundaries to your love. I can't wait for all of our future ventures, and I look forward to growing old with you. Thank you for being my rock and my refuge. I love you more and more each day that passes, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I promise to love you when you're down and love you when you're up. I promise to love you to the end of our lives and then some more. I promise to always kiss you goodnight and always kiss you good morning. The only thing that is certain is that the clock never stops. And I'll never stop loving you. So I love you because the entire universe conspired to help me find you. And I will never stop thanking God and never stop loving you. This ring is my gift to you.
May I always remind you that from this day forward, you will always be surrounded by my love.
You have declared that you will live together in marriage from this day forward with God, your families, and friends as witnesses. You have made special promises to each other, which have been symbolized by the joining of hands, the taking of vows, and the giving and receiving of 2 rings. By the authority vested in me, I now pronounce you to be husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Guerrero.
I know the love that you have for my sister, and not once have you ever failed at that. From the day that we hung out at the hunting place, you told me, like, I love her. I'm gonna marry her, and I'm gonna treat her better than anybody's ever treated her. You'll see. And I'm glad that I get to sit here today and I've got to watch y'all and be a part of this. I love you guys, and I wish you nothing but the best.
Guys, thank you so much for being here. She is my soulmate. She is my best friend. She is everything. And thank you guys for being here to witness it. It really shows that y'all support us, and we just love y'all, and we love everybody.